We live in a world that never stops moving. A world where our eyes are fixed on screens, our minds consumed by worries, and our hearts weighed down by the rush of survival. And yet, beyond the noise, there exists another world, quiet, wild, timeless. It is a world where every sunrise carries a song, where feathers paint the sky with colors no artist could invent, where freedom is not a dream, but a daily reality. I'm not here to convince you to leave your life behind, or to shame you for what you've missed. I'm here to offer you something your soul already longs for. A reminder that beauty still exists. That peace can be found. That joy takes flight all around us, if we're willing to look. Walk with me, through the wild lens. Together, we will witness what most eyes overlook, and in every bird, find a reflection of the freedom we quietly crave. This is not just a journey of birds. It's a journey back to ourselves. So take a breath, and let's begin. In the heart of Africa, where the wetlands stretch like endless mirrors of the sky, there lives a bird that looks as though it stepped straight out of prehistory. This is the shoebill, Balaeniceps rex, a towering bird with a stare so intense it can stop you in your tracks. Standing as tall as a young child, with a bill as large as a shoe, the shoebill is often called the dinosaur bird. Its appearance alone feels like a secret glimpse into Earth's ancient past. Shoebills are not built for speed, but for patience. In the still waters of Uganda's swamps or the papyrus beds of South Sudan, they stand motionless, blending into the reeds. For hours, they wait without a single twitch. And then, with sudden, startling precision, they strike, their enormous beak slamming down to capture a lungfish, catfish, or even the occasional baby crocodile. Their hunting style is a masterclass in silence and surprise, proving that in nature, patience is power. But the shoebill is not just a hunter, it is also a parent. Each breeding season, a pair builds a massive nest on floating vegetation. 2 eggs may be laid, but almost always, only one chick survives. The stronger chick is fed, while the weaker one fades away. Harsh as it seems, this is nature's way of ensuring at least one strong survivor in a world where resources are scarce. Sadly, the shoebill's world is shrinking. Wetlands are drained for farms, fish stocks are reduced by human activity, and the bird's strange beauty makes it a target for illegal trade. Today, only a few thousand shoebills remain in the wild. They are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, standing as a reminder of how fragile even the strongest-looking creatures can be. Yet there is hope. Ecotourism in places like Uganda has given the shoebill new value, not as a trophy, but as a living treasure worth protecting. Local communities are learning that safeguarding the swamps means safeguarding their future, too, for water, for fish, and for this extraordinary bird. So next time you hear the whisper of a swamp breeze or see ripples on still water, imagine the Shoebill standing there, silent, patient, timeless. A living relic of a world long past, still teaching us today about survival, resilience, and the beauty hidden in the quiet corners of our planet.